The $100 options challenge just booked another winning trade. In the previous episode, I changed direction and opened a bullish put credit spread on XSP. Today, it's time to take that trade off. I collected $30 when I opened the position and I'm closing it for just $5. That's a $25 gross profit, meaning I captured more than 83% of the original premium. But the challenge doesn't stop here. As soon as that capital is released, I'm putting it straight back to work in a new trade. Before we move on, here's a quick recap of the challenge so far. I started the challenge in April with a bearish position, collecting $15 in premium. In May, I rolled the trade and collected another $32. Later, I rolled it again, adding another $22 in premium. Then in July, I changed direction and switched from bearish to bullish, opening a put credit spread for another $30 credit. And today, I'm closing that position for just $5. Now the capital is free again, and it's time to put it back to work. The position has now reached 21 days to expiration, which is exactly where I normally look to manage my trades. At this point, I've already captured more than 83% of the available premium. I'm not interested in keeping the position open for another 3 weeks just to squeeze out the final few dollars. So I'm taking the profit, removing the remaining risk, and freeing up the capital for the next opportunity. With 83% of the premium already captured, I'm closing the position for $5 and locking in a $25 gross profit. Now I can redeploy the capital into the next trade. I'm staying bullish on XSP, but I'm moving the strikes higher and resetting the clock. This time, I'm selling the September 11th 757 put and buying the 755 put for protection. The spread is 2 points wide, and I received a $35 credit. That leaves me with $165 of maximum risk, while the $35 credit represents a potential 21.2% return on risk if the trade reaches maximum profit. And just like before, I'll look to manage the position around 21 days to expiration. Define the risk, collect premium, manage the position, take profits when they're available, and put the capital back to work. The challenge started with just $100, and we're continuing to build it one trade at a time. The 757/755 put credit spread is now the next test. Let's see what the market gives us.